Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon once again. Right, let's start. So ये graph था किसका? This was the graph of log of x, right? Base a when a is greater than 1, right? When a is greater than 1, yes or no? No, third log session you don't have to do. Don't worry, right? Third log session you don't have to do. है ना? 10th में भी पढ़ते हैं ना same चीज, right? कुछ तो 10th के कुछ पढ़ देंगे ना? है कि नहीं? So first and second, everyone got it? Okay. So let's think about it. First of all, we will see, right? We will see about this problem. What will happen if a is less than 1? What will happen if a is less than 1? Now think about it. First of all, think about it. I'm having this. Suppose a is equal to 1 by 2. Suppose a is equal to 1 by 2, right? हम लोगों ने एक value मान लिया 1 by 2, है ना? Now if I take a is equal to 1 by 2, my answer is, my question is 8 by x equal to y. So y is equal to, sorry, not y, x is equal to, right? Or just give me a minute. Yeah. So I'll just write like this. Eight by y is equal to x. So y is equal to, tell me. Wait guys, something is happening. I don't know what happened. Just give me a minute. What happened? What is this? What is this? Okay, I don't know what was that. Okay, yeah. So y is equal to what? Tell me. Y is equal to log x base a. That is the basic thing. है ना? Right? Yes. ठीक है? Yes. Very good, Aditya. Now let's see. Let's put the value and check. So if a is equal to 1 by 2, we will put like this. A is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 to the power 0 is equal to what? Step by step. 1, anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay. Now 1 by 2 to the power 1 is equal to what? 1 by 2, step by step. 1 by 2 to the power 2 is equal to what? 1 by 4. है ना? Step by step. 1 by 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 8. Now, if you see this, right, as we increase the power, the value of the number is increasing or decreasing? Tell me. It is increasing or decreasing? Tell me, everyone. It is decreasing, है ना? It is decreasing, है ना? समझ में आ रहा है? But when you talk about the previous one, see, in this case, right, when a is greater than 1, the value of this power is increasing, then the, tell me, then the value is increasing. Hi Anna, tell me, yes or no? This is what happened. This is the difference. Right? Anna, so I can say in this, if power was increasing, the value was increasing. But in this case, if power is increasing, the value is decreasing. Now, 1 by 2 to the power minus 1. What is the value? 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to what? Tell me. Sir, 2. Very good. 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to? Wait. I'll just explain 4. See, here I'm just finding the value. ठीक है? मैं समझा रहा हूँ फिर से. पहले इस पे focus करो. Right? Focus on this. What is written over here? Try to understand that, right? 1 by 2 to the power 1 है ना, is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. ठीक है? 1 by 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 8, right? So यहाँ पे power increase कर रहा है. If power is increasing, 8 power y is equal to x. If y is increasing, then x is decreasing. That's what I said. अब समझ में आया सबको? अब समझ में आया? Right? But यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 8. In this case, y is decreasing, but the value is increasing. ठीक है? है ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? So let's put it in the form of graph. इसको ग्राफ के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. Let's put it in the form of graph. Okay. So I said, sir, if this is x, this is y, right? X, y यहाँ पे है ना? ठीक है? Sorry. ये x, y मतलब ये y है और ये x है. It is just the variable, right? यहाँ पे variable है ना? मैंने x को क्या माना? X को माना मैंने, tell me, जो हम put कर रहे हैं y जो निकल रहा है ना यहाँ पे, right? So sorry, this will be what? This will be x, this will be y. ठीक है? तो अब देखो यहाँ पे जब y 0 है, y 0 है, y is 0, what is the value of x? Y is 0, what is the value of x? 1. ये हो गया 1, है ना? Now see this, if x is increasing, if y, right, y is increasing, x will decrease. हाँ या ना? If y is increasing, x is decreasing. Yes or no? ठीक है? And for negative y, x is increasing. So don't you think, sir, instead of this, the graph would something like this? Tell me, है ना? Right? Because y is decreasing. If y is decreasing, y घट रहा है, तो x का वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है? बढ़ रहा है. हाँ या ना? And if y is negative, if y is less than 0, then x is greater than 1. हाँ या ना? चेक कर लो सबको इतना चेक कर लो एक बार. अपना पॉइंट पुट करके चेक कर लो. ठीक है? Got it, everyone? Everyone is clear in this? सी जस्ट ग्राफ, कोई भी जब ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं ना प्रहलाद, ठीक है, तो हम बस पॉइंट पुट करके करते हैं, रटना नहीं होता है. जैसे यहाँ पे देखो ना, यहाँ पे देखो, ये पॉइंट पुट किया हमने, राइट? एक्स और वाई का वैल्यू पुट किया. ठीक है? यहाँ पे एक्स 1 है तो वाई 0, वाई 0 है तो एक्स 1, वाई माइनस 1 होगा, वाई माइनस 1 होगा. ठीक है? तो एक्स वैल्यू 2 होगा. बस पुट किया हमने, पुट करके चेक कर लिया. तो क्या है, जब y का वैल्यू, राइट, y की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है, y की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है, देखो y की वैल्यू जब पॉजिटिव रहेगा, कुछ भी रहेगा, तो इसका वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? छोटा होता जाएगा, 1 से छोटा रहेगा. स्टैंडर्ड यही टाइप के ग्राफ रहेंगे, स्टैंडर्ड ग्राफ इसी टाइप के रहेंगे, सारे लॉगरिथमिक ग्राफ ऐसे रहते हैं. ठीक है? एवरी लॉगरिथमिक ग्राफ विल बी लाइक दिस. ओके. यस ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज y की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव होगा ना. हाँ, नो इश्यूज पुनीत, 0.1 कुछ भी ले सकते हो, कुछ भी ले सकते हो. सी यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, y is increasing when x is increasing, right? y और x दोनों इंक्रीज कर रहा है ना? y बढ़ रहा है, x भी बढ़ रहा है. बट इन दिस केस इट इज नॉट द सेम, है ना? Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? yes, ठीक है, चलो. So I guess everyone is clear in this concept. Krishna, Sai Purvi, Jayati, Vaishnavi, Aksa, Ahad, भवानी, अक्सा समझ में आया तुमको ये सब? मेलिसा, नव्या, ठीक है, right? So this was the concept of logarithm that we completed. And now the next concept that we are going to study is differentiation. As I told you, differentiation. Okay. Yes, Navya, tell me. You asking something? Okay, okay. I'll okay, that property, right? Okay. Yes, got it. So before differentiation, there's a one problem. Okay. So there's one more property. If I'm having a to the power log x base a, this is equal to what? This is equal to x. ठीक है. अब कैसे? I hope all of you, yeah, this is equal to x. Yes, Vastav, है ना? This is a property because let's prove it. Take it as y, है ना? Y ले लो, इसको मान लो ये y होता है. दोनों साइड log ले लो. Take log to both sides. So we will get what? Log base a, and this is total thing. So a to the power log x base a is equal to log y base a. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Everyone got till this point? Yes. प्रहलाद, सी प्रहलाद, ये पूरा टर्म, दिस इज होल टर्म ना, दिस होल टर्म इज द वैल्यू, और इसको मैंने y माना है, तो दोनों सब मैं जो log ले रहा हूँ तो क्या होगा? log दिस होल टर्म, राइट, बेस a इज इक्वल टू log y बेस a. अब यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी लग जाएगी, तो ये पावर में है ना, तो पावर में तो बाहर आ जाएगा. So log x base a into, because this was the power, log a base a is equal to log y base a. Now what is log a base a? Tell me, what is log a base a? भवानी, समझ में आ रही है?
सर
यस, समझ में आ रहा है?
सर और एक है ना सर?
क्या?
सर log x to the power a is equal to a log x.
log x power a is equal to, ये तो प्रॉपर्टी है ना, ये तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी कल देख चुके हैं ना. दिस प्रॉपर्टी वी हैव डन, राइट? This one property you're talking about, right? Log 8 power m base b is n log a base b, है ना? प्रहलाद, सी, ये पूरा पावर है, दिस इज पावर, राइट? So this is power, the power is taken outside now, right? And then log a base a is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So log x base a is equal to log y base a. So x is equal to y, means this is equal to x only. ठीक है? Got it? Navya got this? Bhavani got this? ठीक है, सही है. सबको समझ में आ गया? आई गेस सबको समझ में आ गया होगा। ठीक है, चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं नेक्स्ट डिफरेंशिएशन। Before starting differentiation, let's see what is the meaning of rate. Rate of change. सबको समझ में आता है? What is the meaning of rate of change, guys? Tell me. Yes. So suppose if I'm having anything, right? Suppose I'm having any function. Okay. Yes. Right. So rate of change, the meaning of rate of change is how quickly anything is changing, as simple as that, right? Suppose I'm having anything. So suppose this is a function, right, with respect to time, anything which is change with respect to time. So how fast this is changing, how fast this is changing when time is changing is basically rate of change, yes or no, right? But do we really need to find the rate of change with respect to time? Think about it. Or can we calculate it with respect to anything? Tell me. Because when you talk about of change, it is with respect to, now when you talk about variables, let's see. Suppose I'm having y is equal to x square. In this, how many variables do we have? How many variables do we have? 2, right? So I can say, okay, I'm putting the value of x, and I'll get the value of y. Yes or no? I'm putting the value of x and I'll get the value of y. Right? Easy. So this x is called as which kind of variable? This x is called as independent variable, right? Because I'm putting the value, this x is called as independent variable. Very good. What is y? Y is dependent. Clear? Basic. Yes or no? Okay. Yes. So I can say in the independent variable, if I'm changing x, how y will change? How y will change? I need to find this, right? To find this, that if I'm changing x, how y will change, right? So if I'll say, okay, sir, if I'm putting the value of x, okay, if I'm putting the value of suppose x as x1, and y will be what? Y will be what? Tell me. X1 square, yes or no? Simple. Y will be y1, which is x1 square, na? Y is y1, which is x1 square, yes or no? Now if you put x is equal to x2, what will be y2? X2 squared, na? Yes or no? This is clear, easy, basic sense. Okay, now my question is, what is the change in x? What is the change in x? This is change, right? This delta is change. What is change in x? So change in x is x2 minus x1. Hi Anna. Very good, Abhay. Very good. Right? Very good. What is change in y, guys? What is change in y? Y2 minus y1. Very good. Which is basically x2 square minus x1 square. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, correct. है ना? Now, if I want to find the rate of change of y, with respect to rate of change of x, है ना? This is what I want to find, right? The change of y with respect to change of x. ठीक है? So it can be written as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Step by step. यहां तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes. यहाँ तक किसको दिक्कत है? Anyone have any doubt till this point? No, clear. It is clear. So if I'll make a graph of this, let's see. If I'll make a graph of this like this, think about it. I hope all of you know basic of trigonometry and all those things, right? So y is equal to x square is supposed like this. This is a graph of y is equal to x square, right? Okay, and I want to find 2 points. Let's take 2 points. This is point x1. This is x1. And at this point, this is y, this is x. This is x, this distance is x1. And this distance is y1. In the same way, take this point, x2. And this is y2. Right? So what we are trying to find, tell me what we are trying to find. Change. So this is y2 and this is y1. So this distance is nothing but y2 minus y1. Yes or no? Hi Anna, step by step. And this distance is nothing but x2 minus x1. Clear everyone? Clear? Right? So if we add, right, then if this is angle theta, then I can say tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. And this is basically your slope. So in terms of geometrical meaning, it is your slope. Clear? Right? Anyone have any doubt till this point? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Tell me, everyone got this? But this is between 1 point or 2 points. The slope, right, is between 2 finite points. Yes or no? है ना? तो ये तो average हो गया, सही तो average type हो गया. Right everyone? This is like average. ठीक है? But what if I want to find the slope at any given point? अब कोई भी point पे हमको लेना है तो क्या करूंगा मैं? Tell me. Think about it. dy by dx, yes. Tan theta is just for symbolic representation. ना tan theta का meaning ही होता है slope, है ना? Right? Okay. Now think about it. ठीक है? ये clear हो गया? Now think about it. So if I want to find this delta y by delta x, when this difference is very small, when x2 is actually equal to x1 plus very small change, which is dx. समझ में आ रहा है? Very small. Means x2 क्या है? x2 is at this point, बहुत पास में x2, यहाँ पे x2 is here. Suppose x2 यहाँ पे x2 बहुत पास में है ना? So can I say x2 is equal to this? Yes or no? Tell me. Think about it. हाँ या ना? सोचो एक बार. Tell me. Wait, I'll tell you, right? So the question is y is equal to x2 squared. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay, using this concept. Right? सोचो एक बार. Try. Yes, it is very good. The answer is 2x. But अपने से करो एक बार. Try करो एक बार. Very good प्रहलाद. Very good अव्यर. फिर से एक बार करो. ठीक है? So what we did, dy by dx, I just use the same thing. I'll just repeat once again. है ना? I just use the same, this one, right? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ठीक है? Right? Now, if I use the same thing, think about it. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to x2 square minus x1 square by x2 minus x1. Now, x2 क्या था? x2 क्या है? अभी मैंने बोला x2 is x1 plus dx. बहुत छोटा टर्म है ना? यहाँ से देखो, डेल्टा x is x2 minus x1. ये इधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? है ना? यही होगा ना? ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ठीक है? तो मैंने वहां पुट कर दिया. तो ये यहां तक समझ में आया सबको? हाथ डालो. Everyone got till this point? Raise your hand. Tell me, think about it. Anyone have any doubt? पूछो. Anyone have any doubt? नहीं ना? तो अब देखो यहाँ पे a plus b whole square क्या होता है? Step by step. A plus b whole square is a squared plus b squared, bx का whole square, है ना? Plus 2 into a into b. Clear? हाँ है ना? Minus x1 square by dx. Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me guys, anyone have any doubt till this point? समझो. किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ तक में? भावना, भवानी, प्रहलाद, clear? Okay. Now can I say, sir, in this x1 and this will get cancelled, right? Now let me think. Suppose I'm having 0.00001, right? Think about it. Suppose I'm having 0.00001, and this is again multiplied. This is again multiplied by 0.00001. Tell me, the multiplication of two very small number will give you what? 0.00000, right? 01. Yes or no? Tell me. Think about it. Yes or no? Yes? Agree? Clear? Clear everyone? ठीक है, very small number. So it is what dx square means dx into dx. ठीक है, dx into dx. So dx into dx क्या बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा. So this is tends to 0. हाँ या ना? This will tends to 0. Got it? सबको समझ में आई ये चीज, ये कॉन्सेप्ट सबको समझ में आ गया? हाँ या ना? Think about it. Okay. So I will be left with 2x1 dx by dx. So dx will get cancelled. I'll be left with 2x1 2x. That's the answer. हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है कैसे 2x हो गया? धीरे धीरे करेंगे. Yes, this is the proof. ठीक है, ये प्रूफ है. बाकी हम लोग डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला कर लेंगे, बट ये प्रूफ है. ठीक है. Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? बताओ, सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? So this is just a proof of this एक क्वेश्चन का, but you don't have to worry. ये बस सीखने के लिए है ना? Otherwise you have the formula. You have the formula. So for example, if I'm having y is equal to x to the power x power 3, right? The formula is dy by dx is given by, कितने लोगों को याद है? हाथ उठा लो. कितने लोगों को याद है? हाथ उठा लो. Yes, very good. 3x square, है ना? If y is equal to x to power 4, then dy by dx is given by 4x cube. So there's a general formula which is if y is equal to x to power n, then dy by dx is given by nx to the power n minus 1. हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ गया? Everyone got this concept? Yes or no? Prahlad, don't worry, you just remember this. ठीक है, you just remember this. Okay, Prahlad, अभी के लिए बस ये समझ लो. ठीक है? हाँ, this is no. There's a formula ना, there's a different formula, right? ये सिर्फ इसके लिए है. Now, if I'm having y is equal to there are other functions. For example, trigonometric function जैसे sin x हो गया, तो dy by dx जो होता है इसका, ये derive नहीं करेंगे हम लोग अभी, cos x हो जाता है. ठीक है? फिर if y is equal to cos x, then dy by dx will become minus sin x. ठीक है? तो ये सब भी होता है, बट याद रखना है. ठीक है? ओके, sin x का cos x है. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? नो, इट इज नॉट वैलिड फॉर जीरो ना पुनीत, बिकॉज 0 minus 1 क्या होगा? x by 0 is कांस्टेंट, राइट? है ना? x by 0 is कांस्टेंट. 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन 0 होता है, but it is not changing ना. ठीक है. See, when you talk about log x, base 10 होता है, but when you are saying ln x, so this is log base ex. ठीक है, that's the only thing. ठीक है, किसी को दिक्कत यहाँ तक में हाथ उठा लो, किसी को यहाँ तक में दिक्कत है, यहाँ तक में किसी को दिक्कत है. Yes, e is also just a number, right? ठीक है. So yes, so यहाँ तक में बेसिक फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है, so we will take, right? ठीक है, अब देखो, अब प्रॉपर्टीज देखते हैं. ठीक है. Okay, so let's see some properties, guys. Let's see some properties. So y is equal to 5. अब बताओ 5 क्या है? 5 एक कांस्टेंट है कि नहीं? Yes, yes, we'll revise everything. Can you hear me? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखो 5 is a constant. 5 is a constant. Okay, 5 is a constant, right? Means so 5 will not change, right? 5 will not change, है ना? So if 5 is not changing, will there be any change in y? Tell me, will there be any change in y? No, right? So in this case, dy by, suppose dx is equal to 0. So differentiation of any constant is 0. That's the first property. Differentiation of any constant, if y is constant, any constant, right? Then dy by dx is 0. dy by dx is 0. That's the first property. Okay, that is your first property. Okay. Now, second property, suppose I'm having number, right? Suppose I'm having a function y is equal to, the constant is multiplied with any function, right? K into f of x. Now बताओ ये k change करेगा क्या? Tell me, if k is changing, will k change? X square is not a constant now. Where x square is not a constant, right? X square is a variable. Hi Anna, is x square a constant? Tell me, is x square a constant? Two x is also not a constant. और तो डिफरेंशिएट होने के बाद 2x बना ना, है कि नहीं? राइट, तो डिफरेंशिएट होने के बाद 2x बना. टेल मी, ठीक है, राइट, चलो, सो इफ आई एम हैविंग दिस y is equal to kf of x, then dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? टेल मी, सोचो एक बार, दिस d kf of x dx, और ये f of x क्या है? f of x क्या है? f of x is a function, f of x is a function, yes or no, कोई भी फंक्शन हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, sin x हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Is it okay, Mansa? No, no, I'm giving you time to think, right? It's like I'm not speaking, I'm giving you time to think. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, now in this case, since k is a constant, it is not differentiated, है ना, वो बाहर आ जाएगा. The differentiation of just f of x will take place. समझ में आया? ये property, this is the first property. Okay, Mansa, right? Yes, Puneet, correct. So examples देखते हैं, examples देखते हैं. Suppose मेरे पास क्या है? y is equal to 3x square है और 4x square है मान लो, और मैं निकाल रहा हूँ dy by dx, है ना? So it will be d 4x square by dx, right? Now since 4 is a constant, we'll take 4 outside and the differentiation of x square will be there. Yes or no? Right? And we know what is the differentiation of x square. बताओ, भवानी बताओ, वास्तव, विकास, तनिष, सृष्टि. 2x. So it is what? 4 into 2x. डिफरेंशिएशन होने के बाद काम खत्म हो गया तो हटा देना है. ठीक है, क्लियर है? राइट, so this will become 8x. The answer is 8x. क्लियर हो गया ये कॉन्सेप्ट? हाँ ना, हाँ या ना? हाँ, चलो टेल मी, हाँ या ना? Think about it, guys. Think about it. क्लियर है? नो ना, बिकॉज 4 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ एक्स स्क्वायर ना, ये मल्टीप्लाइड है ना, इसलिए जीरो नहीं होगा. मल्टीप्लाइड है तो जीरो नहीं होगा ना, अगर मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होता तो जीरो होता. समझ में आया? मींस इफ अ कांस्टेंट इज standalone, then the differentiation will be 0. Okay, but here it is not standalone now. Clear? Everything is clear till this point? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम लोग, एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. सपोज आई एम हैविंग y is equal to 3 sin x. बताओ dy by dx कितना होगा? Tell me what is dy by dx? Yes, very good everyone. So 3 यहाँ पे रह जाएगा ऐसे ही, डिफरेंशिएशन हो सिर्फ sin x का. Okay, this is the answer, which is 3 cos x. Got it everyone? Everyone got this concept? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Right? So I hope everyone got this concept. है ना? Everyone got this concept. Okay, very good. Right? So property 2. This is first property. Property 2. Actually, this is third one. This is third property. है ना? ऊपर वाला second था. Now suppose I'm having a function y, which is actually sum of two functions, h of x plus g of x. ठीक है, h और g just representation of function का. ठीक है, right? Suppose ये दो function का sum है, addition है, तो dy by dx जो होगा, dy by dx will be d. अब ये total differentiation होगा, which is d of h of x plus g of x by whole by dx. Now the property says that if I'm having something like this, It can be separated. Yes, it can be separated, which is d g of h of x by dx plus d g of x by dx. Got it? हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये? Tell me, everyone is getting this? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Raise your hand. No? Clear? It is clear? Abhay, I just said, if I'm having two different functions, h of x and h of g of x, which is added, then the differentiation of this function, okay, then the differentiation of this function is the, tell me, differentiation of individual functions. Okay, that is it. एग्जाम्पल मैं एक बार क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ. सपोज y is equal to x to power 4 minus 2 sin x, है ना? तो क्या होगा? dy by dx is equal to d x to power 4 minus 2 sin x whole dx. So this can be written as dx to the power 4 by dx minus d 2 sin x by dx. Got it? Got it? Which further can be written as, now this is what? This is 4x cube minus, this is 2, बाहर आ जाएगा, sin x का differentiation is cos x. So this is the answer. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Clear हुआ ये सबको? Everyone got this concept? ठीक है? Very good. Okay, very good everyone. So I guess सबको clear हो गई है ना? सबको clear हो गई है. मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, that is I'll tell you, right? Don't worry. उसका प्रॉपर्टी है. ये प्रॉपर्टी क्लियर हुआ, प्रॉपर्टी 3 क्लियर हो गया, right? This is sum or difference property, either it is plus or minus. ठीक है? Okay, next property, property 4. Right? So in this case, if I'm having a function, two functions, which is multiplied, u and v, right? They're multiplied. This is called as product rule. This is called as product rule. समझ में आया? Okay, this is called as product rule. Okay? Yes. So in this dy by dx, what you need to do is keep one function as a constant. Suppose u is constant, right? So it is d u into v by dx. So keep one function as a constant. So if you keep u as constant, you will be getting u into dv by dx, plus keep the other function constant. So if you are keeping v constant, you will get v du by dx. That is the answer. समझ में आया? सब कुछ ध्यान दो, ये important है. Everyone, do you get this concept? Yes or no? Yes or no? Got it? Very good, very good. So एक question करते चलो. So y is equal to x squared into cos x। बताओ क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Tell me. ठीक है? Yes, very good. I'm getting many answers. Yes, we have to keep one function as constant. Very good, Navya. So dy by dx is going to keep one constant, x square constant. इसका differentiation, which is minus sin x. Yes. ठीक है, प्लस अब दूसरे को कांस्टेंट और इसका डिफरेंशिएशन which is 2x। क्लियर है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? So the answer is right, x minus x square sin x plus 2x cos x। आगे पीछे लिख सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Think about it. No, why it will get simplified? It is 2x cos x ना, cos x अंदर है, 2x बाहर है, they are two different functions, right? ठीक है, तो बस ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे, है ना, ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे। नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, आज की लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी, प्रॉपर्टी 5 है ना, प्रॉपर्टी 5। यहां तक समझ में आया? प्रोडक्ट रूल तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Anyone have any doubt till product rule? Raise your hand. No? Okay. So suppose I'm having a function in which instead of multiplication we have division, v by u। ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग होता है, मैं बता रहा हूँ, दिस इज कंफ्यूजिंग राइट, बट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर, है ना। वेरी गुड वास्तव, वेरी गुड। तो कैसे याद रखेंगे? कैसे मेथड है? मेथड स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैं बताता हूँ। u अलग लिखना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ u, है ना, देन फाइंड मींस फाइंड du by dx फर्स्ट, फाइंड du by dx फर्स्ट, देन फाइंड dv by dx, अलग से निकालना। du by dx is called as u dash and this is v dash, it is just the representation। ठीक है, so u का डिफरेंशिएशन अलग कर लेना, v का डिफरेंशिएशन अलग कर लेना पहले ही। then dy by dx is given by, ऊपर में जो फंक्शन है, you have to remember like this, ऊपर में फंक्शन is u, न्यूमरेटर का फंक्शन is u, always differentiate numerator first, है ना, numerator u dash, then v constant minus v dash u constant divided by denominator whole square v square। This is the formula। Okay, got it? Tell me. So let's see one problem, right? So suppose y is equal to x square by cos x, then tell me what is the value of dy by dx? टेल मी क्या होगा? No, Bhavani. No, that's wrong, ना Bhavani. Right? देखो मैंने क्या बोला? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल u is step by step. u is x square. v is cos x. है ना? तो u dash कितना होगा? u dash is 2x and v dash is minus sin x. ठीक है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऐसे लिख लिया। भवानी समझ में आ रहा है? लिख लिया ऐसे, हाँ या ना? Tell me. Yes, clear? Okay. So I can say u dash v minus v dash u by v square. ये होता है ना फॉर्मूला, तो एक करके मैं पुट करूंगा। v dash is, so u dash is 2x into minus sin x minus v dash, which is this, minus u, which is x square, into, tell me.
Sir,
Sorry, yeah, sorry, it is just 2x into cos, right? 2x into cos x, because it is u dash v na, u dash v minus u into v dash, ठीक है? divide by v square, which is cos square x, है ना? So that is the answer. 2x cos x minus plus x square sin x by cos square x. Got it, everyone? वैष्णवी, got it? वैष्णवी, गलत हो गया ना वैष्णवी तुम्हारा? सबको देखो एक बार, 2 मिनट से देखो, 2 मिनट एक बार देखो, सोचो एक बार, स्टेप बाय स्टेप।
सर वो माइनस साइन ठीक है सर।
प्रहलाद, it is applicable function है वो, cos whole square is written as cos square x, ठीक है? Because this whole is a function, ये cos अपने में कुछ नहीं होता है, right? Cost is just an operator, ठीक है? See, this is the question, right? Everything is written over here. Take 2 minutes, don't worry, take 2 minutes, try to understand everything, okay?